Google's Control has reportedly issued a code red amid the growing recognition of the ChatGPT AI. Aaron Mock Wednesday, December 21, 2022 at 11:01 a.m. Google CEO Sundar Pichai instructed a few groups to exchange gears and paintings on growing artificial intelligence merchandise, the New York Times reported. Brandon Wade, Reuters. Google has issued a code red over the upward push of the AI bot ChatGPT, the New York Times reported. CEO Sundar Pichai redirected a few groups to recognition on constructing out AI merchandise, the file stated. The flow comes as talks abound over whether or not ChatGPT should at some point update Google's seek engine. Google's Control has issued a code red amid the release of ChatGPT, a buzzy conversational artificial intelligence chatbot created through OpenAI, as it has sparked issues over the destiny of Google's seek engine, the New York Times reported Wednesday. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google and its figure organization, Alphabet, has participated in numerous conferences around Google's AI approach and directed several agencies within the employer to refocus their efforts on addressing the hazard that ChatGPT poses to its seek engine enterprise, in step with an inner memo and audio recording reviewed with the aid of using the Times. In particular, groups in Google's Research, Trust, and Protection division, amongst different departments, were directed to exchange gears to help with the improvement and release of AI prototypes and merchandise, the Times reported. Some personnel were tasked with constructing AI merchandise that generate artwork and graphics, just like OpenAI's DALL-E, that's utilized by hundreds of thousands of humans, in line with the Times. A Google spokesperson did no longer straight away reply to a request for comment. Google's flow to construct out its AI product portfolio comes as Google personnel and specialists alike debate whether or not ChatGPT, run through Sam Altman, a former Y Combinator president, has the ability to update the hunt engine and, in turn, harm Google's advert sales enterprise model. Sridhar Ramaswamy, who oversaw Google's advert group among 2013 and 2018, stated ChatGPT should save you customers from clicking on Google hyperlinks with ads, which generated $208 billion, 81% of Alphabet's basic sales, in 2021, Insider reported. ChatGPT, which collected over 1 million customers 5 days after its public release in November, can generate singular solutions to queries in a conversational, human-like manner with the aid of accumulating data from hundreds of thousands of websites. Users have requested the chatbot to write down a university essay, offer coding advice, or even function a therapist. But a few were short to mention the bot is frequently riddled with errors. ChatGPT is not able to reality test what it says and cannot distinguish among a validated truth and misinformation, AI specialists informed Insider. It also can make up solutions, a phenomenon that AI researchers call hallucinations. The bot is likewise able to producing racist and sexist responses, Bloomberg reported. Its excessive margin of mistakes and vulnerability to toxicity are a number of the motives Google is hesitant to launch its AI chatbot LaMDA, quick for language model for dialogue applications, to the public, the Times reported. A current CNBC record stated Google pros had been reluctant to launch it extensively in its modern country over worries over reputational risk. Chatbots are now no longer something that humans can use reliably on a day-by-day basis, Zubin Gharamani, who leads the Google's AI lab Google Brain, informed the Times earlier than ChatGPT become released. Instead, Google might also additionally consciousness on enhancing its seek engine over the years in place of taking it down, specialists instructed the Times. As Google reportedly works complete steam in advance on new AI merchandise, we get an early examiner at Google's annual developer conference, I/O, that's predicted to take location in May.